If you've ever wondered exactly what you take home from your salary, or what salary you'd need to hit a certain monthly figure, you're in the right place. The OS Pay Calculator is completely free to use. No sign-up, no ads, no subscription. And there's more than most people realize. So let me walk you through everything that's available. The Pay Calculator is the main one. Enter your salary and it gives you your exact take-home pay, broken down by income tax, national insurance, student loan, and pension. What makes it different is the detail. You can set your exact tax code, choose your student loan plan, plans 1, 2, 4, 5, or postgraduate, pick your pension contribution, and select your region. Scotland has different income tax rates, and the calculator handles those too. The bit I find most useful? It shows your marginal rate. So if you're thinking about a pay rise or a bonus, you can see exactly what that extra money is actually worth after tax. Especially important if you're anywhere near the £50,270 higher rate threshold, where the effective rate jumps to 42 pence in every pound. Next, the P60 Calculator. This one works from your annual gross pay and gives you a summary of your total earnings, tax paid, and national insurance for the tax year, matching what should be on your official P60. It's great for double-checking your employer's figures or getting your numbers straight before a self-assessment return. And if you've actually lost your P60, or you need one for a mortgage application or a letting agent, you can create a formatted document produced from your own pay data. For anyone who's self-employed, the Self-Employed Tax Calculator. Enter your income and your expenses, and it calculates your income tax, your Class 4 national insurance, and your payments on account schedule. The calculator shows you exactly what's coming, so there are no surprises. There's also a maternity pay calculator. It covers the full 39-week SMP period, the first 6 weeks at 90% of your average weekly earnings, then the flat rate for the remaining 33 weeks. You can model enhanced maternity pay if your employer offers it, or see what happens if you return to work early. And then there's Wayback Wage. This one's a bit different. It lets you look up average UK salaries all the way back to the 1950s, adjusted for inflation, so you can compare earnings across decades in today's money. What would a typical 1975 wage be worth now? How has average pay kept pace with the cost of living since the 1990s? It uses ONS and ASHE historical data with RPI and CPI adjustments, so the comparisons actually mean something. One more thing worth knowing about, and I've put this in the blog post linked below. A lot of people search the question the other way around. Not what do I take home on X salary, but what salary do I need to take home a certain amount every month? I've put together a table in the post that answers that for the most common figures, from $1,500 a month net all the way up to $5,000. It shows the gross salary you'd need, the tax, the NI, and what a 5% pension contribution would add on top. Check the description for the link. Everything I've mentioned is completely free at OS Payroll, link in the description. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to be posting quick salary breakdowns, 30 seconds, straight to the point. If you want to know exactly what you take home on your salary, keep an eye out. I'm Lucy. See you in the next one.